Hello engineer, welcome back to this channel Smart Keyboard Discover Science. Today I'm giving you this another project. Our project is based on under and overvoltage protection. So we are going to control or to protect our device with this system during higher voltage and during at lower voltage. So how this system will work? As you see, it needs some component like we have this voltage sensor. As you see, this is the voltage sensor. Also we have Arduino Uno, and I have this I2C liquid crystal display. Also I have this relay. Also we have these appliances, as you see. So this system is done on the protest, and done it on really practical, as you see. So let's try to learn on the protest. You will see. So if you need this circuit, and if you need this program, Arduino program, so just check me into our Telegram channel or WhatsApp group. The link is found on the description. So you see. On this part, we are going to control under and over voltage protection. So we are going to control to protect these devices on under and normal voltage. So let's see how it's operated. First, when you simulate this on a protest profession, I will see this message on my liquid crystal display. It display normal voltage. Also on a real practical, it display and a normal voltage. So as you see, the voltage is shown below, and this I use this multimeter to show you the exact voltage from the power supply, from the power source. On this voltage sensor, it's one electronic circuit. So this circuit, it helps you to regulate under normal or under higher voltage or under lower voltage. So I can use this this voltage sensor to show you how this condition is occur on this circuit. So let's check. When I'm trying to regulate, so you see on this, you'll see this variable. So you can try to regulate this by increasing or decreasing. So this, when you regulate, you will see the changes, the voltage changes from the liquid crystal display. So now the voltage is increasing, so I increase voltage up to maximum that I have set to detect over voltage. So when you regulate this increase, yes, you see the voltage is under, and this bulb will turn off, as you see. So the voltage is above, so this device is turned off. So let's reduce up to lower voltage. So let's go. So when I use this, you will see the changes on liquid crystal display. It displays the voltage is decreasing, so it will increase the amount of voltage from this sensor. Also, now on a display, it display under voltage. So I use this to regulate the voltage. So you can see the voltage is under. The voltage is under, and this appliance will turn off because the voltage is below the required one. So right back to the normal. Yes, and to this the voltage is 9 at normal. So if you need this program and the product circuit, check me or inbox me on my WhatsApp group, or and the Telegram channel. The link is found on the description. So let's check on Proteus profession how it's works. So we are going to regulate this value of capacitor, the value of this variable, not capacitor, sorry. So I'm going to regulate by reducing, so let's increase up to above the voltage. You see the condition for this bulb. So when I'm increasing this, so see the voltage also changing. So under voltage, so you see this bulb will turn off. So this relay is closed to ensure that the voltage is over. So let's check when the voltage is below. So I'm going to regulating this on a voltage sensor. Now you see under voltage this bulb will turn off also. So it's back to the normal. Yes, voltage is normal. Thanks for this tutorial, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks for today, and welcome to another tutorial. Don't forget to join us into our Telegram channel. The link is found on the description. See and contact with me directly. I will send you this program in Proteus file.